Good morning and happy Saturday. It's time for coffee and, well, on Saturdays I make breakfast. Today I'm going to be making cinnamon roll bites in the Silicone Egg Bites Mold. And so I want to show you that, in the Deluxe Multi Cooker. And I've been cutting the little refrigerated cinnamon rolls in half. That, and I have well oiled the egg bites mold, and I'm just pressing these in just like that. I'll do this quickly so you can see the process. Nothing hard here, just mushing down in there. You're going to put your lid on your egg bites mold. Now that your lid's on, we're going to put this into the Deluxe Multi Cooker and just add that really quick. So take you over here, Deluxe Multi Cooker, and so it fits nicely like that. You got your little handles. I want you to add 1 cup of water into the bottom. That'll do, just like that. Then I'm going to set the multi-cooker for 20 minutes. Custom, pressure high. There won't be a delay or a keep warm. So I'm going to hit go. Pressure high. Great. There's no delay. Pressure high. Go. You gotta go through all these steps. And it'll keep warm. Okay. And we put the lid on. Okay. And then hit run. While the cinnamon rolls are making in the Deluxe Multi Cooker, I am going to make the frosting. So cream cheese frosting. I've got a vanilla cream cheese, which I made out of vanilla yogurt, Greek yogurt, this week. And I'm going to do powdered sugar and milk, and then mix up with the Flex Plus mixer. Okay, that's really pretty good. And the consistency is good. It'll pour over our cinnamon roll bites really nicely. Release the pressure on the multi-cooker. And got my little baby shark mitts here. They're perfect for grabbing egg bites out. Now it's time for the reveal. Smell really good. Alright, all released. There we go. Looky there. That's awesome. Okay, let's see if we can get them out of the pan well here. Alright, cover them up and flip them over and hope. Right, just poke them just to make sure, right? Oh, looky there. Oh my goodness. So good. All right, time for frosting.
These cinnamon bites were both easy and tasty, and we had a great breakfast that day. Definitely one recipe I will make again. If you're interested in any of the tools that I used to make these cinnamon roll bites, please check the description below for the link. As always, if you try this recipe, please leave me a comment below to let me know how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching.